बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and incredible seashell wreath decoration ideas. These are very amazing and very unique and very beautiful seashell wreath design for you guys. These are outclass, beautiful and very stunning wreath design for you guys. And I hope so you enjoyed these. Seashell wreath design decoration ideas. So guys, keep me in your prayers. These are super amazing and most beautiful seashell craft ideas for you guys. I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Also guys, you enjoyed these seashell wreath decoration ideas. These are very unique and very incredible seashell wreath designs. I hope so you enjoyed these wreath ideas for your home decor. So remember me in your prayers, and you make these seashell wreath design at your homes very easily. And you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of seashell wreath designs at home. So viewers, keep me in your prayers and these are very stunning and very beautiful. Seashell wreath ideas. Follow for more details. And I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are amazing and unique seashell wreath designs for you guys. So you must try these seashell wreath ideas at home and decorate your homes with these beautiful craft work. These are the best and super unique ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. These are very stunning and very unique and best seashell wreath ideas for you guys. You must try these seashell wreath design at home. Always remember me in your prayers. These are very unique and very latest ideas for you guys. If you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And I personally enjoyed these type of craft work.